let us all of us try to think what is the session all about today. I
Excuse me,
would
sir.
be, yeah,
Sorry to interrupt you. I am going to put the session on the live mode on the Facebook.
live mode.
Yes, sir.
That's really great. Finally, I'm so
May
happy.
Thank you,
Before
sir.
the before the session starts, we are innovating. Great.
May I?
Yeah, yeah, please, why not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, Mishti, I hope the participants can unmute themselves. If we can allow them for 10-15 minutes if we have not allowed. Okay. I would like to call Mishti online. Mishti, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Mishti, can you help me to understand why are you here in this session? What made you to come to this session?
So I never leave any session which is conducted by ATL because I enjoy
Okay,
attending those.
that's really nice. You enjoy attending it. Uh,
But sir, sometimes I could not join because of internet issues, or sometimes it is my coding class going on.
okay, so otherwise, no other reason for coming to this session.
Excuse me, sir.
So actually, I feel important to join these
Oh,
sessions.
okay, you feel important to join this session. I will come back to you. Think a bit more deeper. Okay, what exactly made you to come here? Take time out of your busy schedule. Okay. Meanwhile, I would like to go to Manjot Kaur. Manjot Kaur, can you please unmute yourself and if possible, switch on your camera? We are going to do this in a very different way this session today. Okay. Anjali Vadera,
Yes,
can you
sir.
please? Yeah, Anjali, what is your story? What made you to come here?
So actually, when I have read that it is an innovation, and I think that's the important session to join. So that's why I have joined.
So the word innovation, you thought that today we are going to learn something interesting, and
Sir,
that
we
is
can
what made
learn
you.
something new.
Okay,
So
that's a
actually,
challenge
my
for
name is Angel Vadera.
Angel Vadera.
Yes,
But
sir.
your login name shows as Anjali Vadera.
Yes, sir, because it's my mother name.
Okay, great, good. And if I'm not wrong, you're from Maharaja Agarsen School, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now coming to Deepa Singh. Is it Deepa, ma'am? Deepa Singh by login name
Yes, sir.
participant. Yeah, is it Deepa, ma'am?
Yes, sir. It's Deepa, ma'am.
So can you please unmute yourself, Deepa, ma'am? We can also understand from you what made you to join this session.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Sir, actually, my mic was not working at that time, na?
Okay, no issues. So I wanted to know there is only one simple question that I'm asking each and everybody today because I am not prepared enough for the session. So I'm trying to utilize the time as much as possible. Can you tell me what made you to come to this session?
Sir, actually, earlier I was not there in ATL, but I really enjoyed their session. Like I have joined so many sessions, and I really enjoyed there. Like
Yeah,
the students,
but one thing that made you to come here, one thing, you saw the poster or you got to know about this session. What is that told
no, I
you that I must attend?
sir, I have seen a different type of energy in the students. Like those who are in ATL na, I have seen a different type of energy in them.
So it has
Like
motivated you. It has
yes,
motivated to you
yes,
to
it motivated
come
me.
and
Yes,
join the sessions and feel the same.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like
Okay,
the
I'm so
people here,
yeah.
they are like their way of thinking and their way of doing things. It is really different from others, na?
Okay,
Something different is there.
that's okay. That's really nice. So you want to be a child again?
Yes. Like I enjoy like the students are showing something, na? Like they are showing their projects and all that. I really enjoy that.
So good. Then maybe next Tinkerfest we may have a project by you also.
Sir, I will try my best.
That's right. If you try, you will always succeed. If you promise, there is a big possibility that you will fail. That
Yes,
is the reality of the life.
yes, sir.
This dialogue is patented by me, so please don't use it without giving royalty to me.
Yes, sir.
Ajuni, the girl who can make anything out of anything.
Yes,
Ajuni
sir.
Sian, what made you to come here? You are already a very talented student. You already are a very wonderful innovator. I am a big fan of your innovation videos.
Thank you, sir.
What made you to come here?
Sir, like this session was on innovation, and it was like for of your session. So I felt that I should attend in session, and I should add some more innovation to my like crafts.
Okay. Anyways, this is my 265th session. So welcome. Coming to Kamal ma'am. Kamal ma'am, are you here because the session is being hosted by your ATL?
Hello.
Yeah, Kamal
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Are you here because the session was hosted by ATL Balbharti School, or is there any other reason also?
I'm unable to understand, sir. What are you saying?
I said, what is your reason to coming to this session? Is it just because your ATL is hosting this session, or there is something else too?
No, sir. The motivation which we are getting through you. We are getting a
Good.
lot of motivation which is related to our various fields. That's why I'm joining the session. Rest is my responsibility, that I know. But beside that, many other reasons are there. Actually,
Great.
I was stuck with that live part. So I was trying with that.
Okay, okay. No issues. So please carry on. If I see that live tag on the screen, I would be the most delighted person. So please make my dream come true. Because every time ATL ma'ams only does the live telecasting, I want somebody to give them a hard challenge now. Arjun Madhvankotti, ATL in charge of ma'ams, is also here. Sir, what made you to come to the session? What is your story?
So frankly speaking, I am here because I saw Mayuri ma'am sharing in the group, in the ATL leaders group, and like and she had, and I could really empathize. She has given a gentle reminder also 2 times. So I wanted to make sure, and I had shared it in different this one, and I'm so happy that
Okay.
there are different students from
Okay.
this one, and also yeah, that was the reason. That was the main reason. Yeah. Sorry.
On which number I am the reason? I mean, priority wise.
Sir,
Just kidding. Okay. Insha Qureshi. Insha Qureshi. Can you?
Sorry, sir, I lost the connection in between.
No issues. You lost the fun as well. I was trying to pull Arjun's leg. Insha Qureshi, can you please, if you are there, I just saw the name somewhere. Okay. Before I could ask the question, he or she has already left. No issues. Mayuri ma'am, the host of the session, other than because you are the host and anchor of the session, what is the reason you find coming to the session?
Yes, sir. It is my always honor that it's a very opportunity for me to be a part of the session because I am the guiding force, first guiding force to the students, and you are all here for motivation and giving us new spirits that how we can guide the students, and because the innovation is the priority nowadays, and I think without innovation we can't do anything. So to understand the relationship between innovation and why the innovation is required, I think this is a session, uh, and it is opportunity for all of us to just join this and learn from you. So we are very
Okay.
grateful for that this session is being organized and suggested by you. So thank you, sir.
So thank you so much. So my dear participants, today I have effectively demonstrated that God has given you mind, and if you are in a situation for which you are not prepared, like this training session, how can you kill time? I have already utilized 30 minutes of the session. It is just another innovative way of saving yourself. How many of you think that I am not prepared for the session? You can raise hand so I can count them. Okay, I think the expectations are really great from me. Everybody of you feel that I am well prepared. Why I am telling you this again and again, that I am not prepared enough? Because it is such a vast field. And the challenge is, how can I make it simple? Because I have a very varied participant base. There are students, there are innovators themselves, there are trainers, there are ATL in charges, teachers, maybe parents also, somebody must be sitting in this session. And I have to cater the same thing to all of them, and with such a skill that it is received equally well by everybody. So Kanishka Amoli, can you tell me what is the topic of today's session?
Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity of speaking. Hello, everyone. I am Kanishka, and the topic of today's session is innovation and you.
Okay, so what do you understand from this topic, innovation and you? आप चाहे तो हिंदी में भी बता सकती हैं मुझे. There is no need that there is no official language of our sessions, so you can use Hindi, English, whichever is your favorite.
No language problem, sir.
I'm not saying language problem. I'm just saying that you have an option. Okay.
Okay,
Sir, I
sir.
want to tell the meaning of the innovation as
Okay, Angel, just hold on. After Kanishka, I will ask you. Yeah. Kanishka, tell me, what is the link between innovation and you? Why have we kept this topic?
Sir, because nowadays innovation has become hand on hand art, and everybody is having their own projects. If there are many things which are discovering more and more to become our life more easier.
Okay.
So in today's journey, we have started innovation in a new way, and we have done innovation in many other ways.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
are connected to innovation only.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me out. Okay, Angel, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Now you can.
You have kept the topic like innovation as you. It can be like this, that you have, because innovation in our daily life in this COVID-19, the innovation is very important going on in our life. So you have kept as you and me and innovation. We do something.
Okay. Great. So no session is good without a presentation. I have also made a presentation. So let me share the presentation with you. Let's hope that you will like it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So here I am presenting my presentation on the topic.
So your screen is not okay.
So I hope a beautiful slide is visible to you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I was thinking about this topic, innovation and you, when Mayuri ma'am spoke to me and I said, okay, let us talk about innovation, but also talk about the person. May it be a student, may it be a trainer, may it be a parent, anybody. Okay. I will try to establish the link, the reason of innovation with each one of us. And then it is up to you to decide whether you want to really focus upon it or you don't want to do it. Okay. We have 30 minutes. And in this 30 minutes, it will be a challenge for me to do justice to the topic, which is so vast. So vast. Okay. So let me start. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I think it did not save the data that I had put in onto it. Can anybody see anything on the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's a blank
It is
screen.
just white.
No, sir, it's blank.
What do you see on your screen?
Sir, it is just
It's a white.
a white board.
It's
It's a
blank.
white screen.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who sees something else than a white screen?
Sir, there is a
So there is a one that
shortcut of that Meet, Google Meet.
Okay. Now,
So options, different
But
options
now
of
nothing.
doing
There is a cursor, sir.
these things on.
okay, leave the cursor and the Google Meet buttons and everything. As far as the presentation is concerned on the screen, okay, do you think I am trying to communicate anything to you? Do you see on the screen anything?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Take
Sir,
a
it is just
third.
coming like in a whiteboard.
Aji?
Sir, it is just coming like in a whiteboard.
Yes. Okay. It is. You see it as a whiteboard. Okay. So take 30 seconds. Once again, look at it. Maybe somebody, if you have glasses, you can put on the glasses. If you don't have glasses, you can try to focus upon the screen. Maybe you can see something. If I have put in this on your screen, then definitely there must be something into it, isn't it? Otherwise, you won't come to my session again ever in life. Anybody who can see something on the screen can unmute himself or herself and let us know what is that he or she has seen. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I thought I'm not audible. Okay. Nobody? Arjun, you also did not see anything into it?
Sir, I can see.
Small cursor.
Okay, somebody can see you. Who is that somebody? Somebody
Sir,
said
I can see a white page.
Okay, it is a white page.
Yes, something like in Word, na Microsoft Word.
Okay.
When we start that.
So let me tell you, all of you now can think that this is what I want to show you and want you to interpret.
peace.
Yeah.
Sign
Hello?
of peace.
Okay. Now some students have started or participants have started becoming innovative. So sign of peace. White color is known as sign of peace. Very good. Who is this? Who said that it is a sign of peace?
Sir Lakshita.
Oh, Lakshita. You know, I did not got to know that you are there in the session. Lakshita has made a very wonderful film, and all of
Actually,
you,
I joined with Mama's ID only.
yeah, I can understand. But you can always rename, na? Or Mama doesn't allow you to rename. Okay.
So actually,
Okay.
we are sitting on the same device.
Yeah. So anybody else? Lakshita sees peace into the screen.
Sir, I just Googled, and there is something called white painting, which was done by Robert Rauschenberg in 1955. So it is just a white painting, like just a
Cheating. You Googled. This is
Yeah.
cheating.
It fetched
So a
15 million. Sir.
whiteboard.
It 15 million rupees.
Okay. So it was. So
Sir, I can see a flag color, white color in flag.
okay. Now
Sir,
let
I
us.
want to-
Yeah, please.
So the medium he used in this painting was oil painting.
Okay. Let us not go into that painting now, because it is not the painting. I can tell you very frankly. Okay. I have not picked up the screen because somebody sold a 5 million painting. No. Absolutely. I did not even know that somebody did this. Thank you, Arjun, for letting me know. And all of us know about it. Anybody else would like to
Yes,
say
sir.
something?
Yes, I
Okay,
want
let me. Yeah.
Sir, a
Anjali.
blank thing
This
from where we
whiteboard.
start innovation.
Oh, is it Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, my dear, where were you? I have been thinking about you from last 2 days.
Sir,
Okay.
actually, the coding classes, there was a wedding in my family, and I was not able to attend the classes because of my coding classes. Even
It's
now, I
okay.
don't think I will be able to attend the full session. I have a class in like 20 minutes.
Even if you are here for 2 minutes, next 2 minutes of this session, you will understand what is this session all about. Okay.
Sir,
So don't
can I
worry.
help?
Yes, please.
Sir, you have shown us this like a white painting, because in our life that we should be stay in a peace and not to fight with anyone, and do all our work within a peace.
No. I will never say that don't fight with anybody. I am myself a fighter. Okay. Wherever you see injustice, wherever you see adharma happening, don't just be quiet and peace-loving person. Go and fight. Fighting doesn't mean physically fighting, but protest. Okay. So, my dear friends, now let us go deeper into the question.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir,
Kanishka.
Sir, the white page tells us that innovation not comes from starting. We have to innovate ourselves by a blank start.
Very good. So before I could make my question more better, before I could make my question more refined, Kanishka has picked up the right string. Now I want you guys to think the topic of the session, that is innovation and you. Okay. And then look at the screen and then come up with a word that you think that comes to your mind first. Okay. This is a brain exercise that I'm doing with you. Okay. This is a psychological exercise that I'm trying to do with you. Okay. I'm trying to lead you to something. So you can let me know that one word that comes to your mind. Please don't write in the chat box, because then it will influence everybody else. Okay. One word that comes to your mind when you look at the screen. Arjun says potential.
Blank to innovate.
Okay.
So calm.
Okay.
So the first step to innovation.
Okay.
So peace and quiet.
Okay.
The peaceful life.
Okay. You only get one chance, huh? Please, only one chance. There can be only one thing that can come to your mind. If there are 10 things that are coming to your mind, probably you are not thinking seriously. Okay. Okay, if you are done, then
A blank
what is
mind who
the
tries to think something.
okay? Okay, Lakshita. So when when all of us wake up every morning, this is what our state of mind is, isn't it? For a moment, we are all
Yes, sir.
blank. For a moment, we are all blank. Think about that first 10 seconds or first 1 minute when you wake up from the sleep every morning. Okay, this is what your condition is. Is there anybody here who, as soon as wakes up, there are 100 things that comes to his or her mind?
No, sir.
So to go
Yeah.
get food and fresh up to make yourself light.
Okay. There is only one being on this earth which, as soon as wakes up, has 100 things in mind, and that is our mother. Actually, those 100 things make her wake her up every morning. That child has to go to school. I have to make breakfast. I have to do this. I have to do that. Otherwise, 99.99% people wake up every morning and they are blank. They just sit, or they are in a state of silence, and they have nothing in mind. Okay. Now, when you want to do something, when you want to start something new, when you want to try something new, this is what happens to you also. You are absolutely blank from where to start, isn't it? For that first 5 to 10 seconds, you are blank from where to start, how to start, isn't it? Am I right or wrong? If there are any other opinions, you can let. Correct? So today what we are trying to do is we are trying to address this blankness. At the same time, this is one perspective of the story. The other perspective of the story could be, when I look at the screen, is innovation is like this screen, a whiteboard, a clean slate. Okay? And with your ideas, you can do whatever you want to do with this. So it is a synonym of opportunities. It is a completely blank screen. You can draw something on it, you can do something with it. Okay? But in crux, it is an opportunity. It is that freedom that you have, which you can use, and you can create something which was not there. So what kind of thing you would like to create? I mean to say, when you have an opportunity, usually what kind of thing we try to create? Something that is good, something that will make us proud of it, something that will make us a bit happier, or in short, pardon?
Sir, so that is something is unique.
Yeah. So in short, that's something that if we show it to somebody, they will appreciate it, and even if we look at it, we will also appreciate it, isn't it?
Sir, but innovation is not for just showing and taking just appreciation. It is for the help of people. If your innovation is nothing to help other people's, then it will never work.
Very good. So what kind of things we appreciate in life? That are helpful, that are good, that look good, that appear good, that are useful, isn't it? We only appreciate these kind of
Fine.
things, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
never appreciate something which is harmful, something which is not good for the society or for an individual. So that is why I have used the word appreciation. I mean to say, we will feel proud in showing it to somebody. In showing it to somebody means sharing with somebody that, look, this is what I have created. And at the same time, if somebody has a look at it, even he or she will appreciate it. That is what our that is what our objective is, that our efforts, whatever efforts we put in into that opportunity, will not go waste. Like for example, I come to this session, you have come to this session. What is your objective of coming to this session is to benefit out of this session. Once you benefit out of this session, you will appreciate this session. What is my approach to come to this session is that this 1 hour, this 45 minutes or 1 hour that I spend with you, that I present my ideas to you, you should be able to say that it was not a waste of time, isn't it?
Yes.
Got my point? So productivity, fruitfulness of our efforts, we look at something from that point of view, and that is what our approach actually should be, that we should use our time for productive purposes, for becoming better, and that is what is innovation. Channelizing your energies, channelizing your thoughts towards something that makes you happy, that makes you more better person, that makes you more productive, that makes your life more better in terms of comfort or resources, isn't it? Isn't it innovation?
Yes, sir.
Is it anything else? Okay, good. So this question comes to my mind, that what is innovation? I have tried to explain to you that innovation is channelizing your energies, your resources towards something productive. Okay, it can be anything. Can a cooking recipe be called an innovation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If it's something different,
Yes, sir.
and if
Yes,
it's
Yes,
a
sir.
recipe that has not been made by anybody else, then it could be
Yes,
called
sir.
innovation.
So I
Okay.
remembered sir who teaches about his dadi ki rasoi.
Okay, good. So Lakshita said a very wonderful thing, if you were able to hear her, that even a cooking recipe is an innovation if it is, what is the word that she used? Unique. No, unique. Dadi ki rasoi is an example of uniqueness. So Lakshita, when she was saying, she said even cooking is a innovation if your recipe is a completely new one, if it is completely a unique one. Okay, or maybe it is the widely known thing, like for example a cup of tea. Everybody adds sugar, tea bags, milk, water, and mix sugar. But if you make sugar with a different kind of not sugar, tea, if you make tea with a different kind of recipe which adds value to it, then also it is called innovation. So innovation can be unique.
In Delhi,
Pardon?
Yes, sir. I want to speak something. So in Delhi, the team making their street food called street food, and there everyone has their unique and impressive way to make their own type of kinds of food. So you can search on YouTube. You can see that a milkshake you just drink, and
Okay, Kanishka.
that can be made in a unique way.
Yeah. So Kanishka, I am pretty sure that now you have understood what is innovation, and your example has helped us to understand it more better. So don't go into my examples Okay, we are not going to discuss the examples. It is only to help us to understand better what we are talking about. Okay, so what is innovation? Innovation is something that is unique in nature, which adds value. यानी जो चीज है आप उसी को किसी और तरीके से भी कर रहे हो और उसको और बेहतर बना रहे हो, isn't it? So either it should be unique or it should add value to whatever is the current state. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
next question is, why should we do this? What is the reason? किस लिए करना है हमें इतनी सब मेहनत? क्यों करनी चाहिए हमें मेहनत?
If we do this and if we are passionate about doing this, we change the world in one or the another way.
Should we do it for the world?
Sir,
Yes, sir, for the humanity.
Sir, firstly for ourselves, and then for our family, and then for our world.
Okay.
For the
My
sake
dear
of
students,
humanity.
yeah,
Sir, I
my dear students, we have only 15 minutes left. So what I would suggest you is, don't interrupt each other in between, and try to express your views in a single sentence if possible. Okay. Now coming back, you said for humanity, for world, somebody said for society, then somebody said for family. Is it really? Then the topic of our of this session should be innovation and family, or innovation or society, or innovation or my school, my world, my humanity.
So we do innovation to make our life better.
Okay.
Sir, we do
So my
innovation to make ourselves happy.
Right. Very good. So let me come to the point now. This why is actually establishing a relationship, a strong relationship. It is giving you a strong reason to the subject, and that is innovation. Okay. And you know, whatever you create, innovate, it is the product that world looks at and calls it innovation. But you know, if you ask me what is innovation, I would say it is not that product or that service or that creation that you create, invent. It is that mindset that you develop first. May it be a problem that has made you invent certain thing, or may it be an opportunity that has made you to invent certain thing. Okay. But actually what has happened in you is you have tried to apply your mind. God has given you a wonderful, wonderful gift, that is mind. Most of us have it, but many a times people do not use it to its potential. Okay. It is said that even the greatest minds have used only 7% of the mind. The capacity that mind has, they have used only 7% of the whole capacity of the mind. But what I intend to do with this session is I want to channelize your thought process to develop a mindset, to develop a character of yours which is more forward looking, which is more, whenever you look at something, you look at the possibilities. Like I showed you that screen, white screen. So many of us were able to see only a white screen. Some of us were able to see a cursor also. Some of us were able to see that Google buttons, Google Meet buttons and all. But the larger picture that I was trying to show you was that this is an opportunity with me if I would like to cash upon it. Okay. So life is like this. Life is full of opportunities, full of opportunities. You know, people say that they don't have time. People say they don't have energy. But I say that if you're not doing something which is good for you, either you probably do not understand the importance of it in your life at that moment of time, or probably, you know, you are not passionate about it. Because if you are passionate about something, you don't need time at all. You don't need to find time. You generate time. You try to cut upon your productive activities or not so important activities, and you try to give your hobby or your passion all that time that is required. You even wake up at 2 o'clock at night or 3 o'clock in the morning, and you try to give time to that passion of yours. And only those people, only those who have a possibility oriented mindset, who can see solutions in the problem, who can see opportunities into blankness, can look at this world from an unconventional point of view. So if you can be that unconventional person, it will lead you to success, happiness much sooner than your counterparts who are following a conventional path. Okay. If you, I will give you an example. If a road is crowded, you have to go by the speed of the people ahead of you. But if you find a lane which has been less traveled or not traveled, and you try to find out your own path, it will give you an opportunity to go fast as much as possible, because there will be nobody in front of you to block your speed. And that is what is innovation. It is finding out that path. It is finding out that opportunity. It is finding out that possibility, how to do it. Okay. The next question that I have is how. I have tried to answer this a bit before, but how is all within you. It is you who, if you change your thought process, if you refine your thought process, you will be able to do that. To invent anything in this world, what is that is required? First of all, it is you who is required. And in you, what is that thing that leads you to that invention? Is the way you look at it, your thought process. So whenever you are stuck with a problem, or whenever you are in a situation, think about possibilities. Make your mind possibilities oriented. Make your thoughts possibilities oriented. Even if there is a problem in front of you, like if you are stuck in a traffic jam, what do you try to do? Do you sit in your car and start cribbing and crying about it? No. You try to find out a way to get out of that traffic jam. If you don't find a subject easy and exams are coming up, what is that you try to do? Do you start crying? Do you start blaming your school? Do you start blaming your parents to put you in such a school which has a very tough curriculum? No. You try to find out a better way of at least securing 35% marks so that you can pass. I can give you my own example. When I was studying, there was a subject, Sanskrit, in my course curriculum. And I understood that even if gods come down to earth and try to teach me Sanskrit, possibly I will not be able to, grasp it. There was another subject called Marathi into my course curriculum. And whenever there were exams, fortunately, Sanskrit and Marathi both were clubbed together, and like it was 50 marks Sanskrit and 50 marks Marathi, and total you have to score 35 to get pass out of 100. So I understood my problem, and the problem was that I was not able to grasp Sanskrit. Now either I could have cribbed about it, but then I found out a solution. I made myself so better in Marathi that I used to score 70, 80 in Marathi. I used to score 70, 80% in Marathi, which used to sail my boat and eventually average me out to say 50% score, and I used to pass out. This is possible only when I changed my mindset. I understood the reality. I then found out a different way altogether of doing it. Okay, and then I kept on working on my Sanskrit as well. So any marks that I earned in the Sanskrit paper was actually a bonus for me. It was addition to whatever I was going to have in my Marathi paper. So you have to increase your strengths, work upon your strengths. At the same time, if you can minimize your weaknesses, it is well and good also. And it all depends upon the way you think about things. वो कहते हैं ना, सोच, आपकी सोच कैसी है? अगर आपकी सोच बिल्कुल एकदम नेगेटिव है या पेसिमिस्टिक है, या you have no belief in yourself, आपको अपने आप पे बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है, or you are not proud of about yourself. Some people do not have very high self-esteem. खुद के बारे में वो अच्छा ही नहीं सोच पाते, चाहे कितना भी अच्छे हो. It is all about our software, our own software. So we have to work upon our software if we really want to do something great in our life. And the crux of that software is our thinking, the way we think. Okay. Now coming to the point, when should I begin working upon myself? So can anybody help me with this? When should I begin working on myself? When is the time to work upon yourself? Which is a good time that you find?
When we find that it is the right time for us.
Very good. Arjun says now.
So when
anybody else?
So when we are free and we are free from our mind, from all our studies, so we start doing something.
Do we need actually time to really work upon ourselves? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें अपने आप पे काम करने के लिए समय की जरूरत है?
No, sir, we do not need a time. We can do any time.
So we can do it anytime. But how is it possible? What is that we will have to do then? Okay. Have you heard about doing things not fast, but rightly? Have you ever heard about that? Speed matters, but quality matters more. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So अगर सिंपल प्लेन हिंदी में अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि आप जो कुछ भी करते हो, when you get up from the bed in the morning till you go to the bed in the night, some people go bed in the night early morning also. I know few of them. So whenever you go to bed, that is whenever you switch yourself off and go to bed, from moment one to that moment, you have all that time to work upon self. And how will you do that? Whenever you take up something to do, okay, उसको इस तरीके से करिए चाहे थोड़ा करिए, लेकिन इस तरीके से कीजिए कि उसको दोबारा करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े. Like for example, if you are cleaning up your room, many of us do that. Sometimes I also do it. If you do a shabby job, will your mother let you live in peace?
So what is shabby job?
Shabby job means you know where to keep a pillow, you know where to keep your items in your room. If you throw them around, if you mess up with things, that is called shabby. Okay? If you don't do it with your heart, and you just try to do it for the sake of it, in short, formality के लिए कर रहे हो आप, तो क्या वो अच्छे से होगा? You will have to do it again, na?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Like for example, let me give you another wonderful example. Your class teacher gave you a homework. मैम ने कहा 2 chapters लिख के लेके आना है आपको. I mean, whatever is the assignment. Say you did only 1 chapter, and that also you did it so messily that teacher is not able to read what you have done in that chapter. Will your teacher be happy, or she will be angry at you?
So she will be very angry to us.
Of course. And look at this situation. You did not complete the entire homework, not the entire homework, but whatever you did it so beautifully. So beautifully. Will the teacher now appreciate or still be angry with you?
So the teacher will be a little angry, but she will appreciate our work that we have did very nicely. But she will be very angry to us that we have not completed our work.
Okay, so magnitude or quantum of anger will decrease, isn't it? What I mean to say is, आप जितना भी समय जिस भी काम में लगाते हो, जिस भी एक्टिविटी में लगाते हो, ऐसे करिए कि दोबारा उसको करने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े. Okay? Otherwise, what will happen? First, you did it, you applied your energy, your time, your resources into it, and what did you get out of it? Zero, nothing. उल्टा आपको डांट खानी पड़ी होगी, या जिसके लिए भी कर रहे होगे या अपने लिए भी कर रहे होगे, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा आपको कि मैंने इतना टाइम भी इसमें इन्वेस्ट किया, इतना रिसोर्सेज भी इन्वेस्ट किए, लेकिन मुझे जो इसके लिए आउटपुट मिलना चाहिए था वो आउटपुट नहीं मिला, जो रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला. What you will do? You will again do it. Now, this time when you again do it, you will do it out of frustration. You will do it out of compulsion. And you will not be able to concentrate on it. So, first time right. First time right means whatever you try to do, please do it with full your focus, with full your heart into it. And you will see that your 24 hours will actually become 48 hours for you, because you will not be required to do same task again. You will not be required to repeat them. You can see from maybe you can start from tomorrow morning, and you can see how many things in a day you do repeatedly because you did not do them rightly in the first place. I'm not talking about new things. I'm talking about our routine things. Okay? So please make a mindset. Please make a habit that whatever I will do it well, with all my mind and heart into it. Okay? Where can we do all this? We can apply this formula into our life anywhere and everywhere. This is like self-innovation, innovation for self, innovating our own character, innovating our own behavior, not only just improving it, becoming something better than what we were, something different than what we were actually. Okay? The possibilities are everywhere. Where all you can apply this formula is it's in anything and everything that you do in your life, not just in innovation projects that you want to do in your ATL, it can be in studies, it can be the games that you play, it can be, any activity that you do. Even if you go for a bath, if you take bath properly, you will not be required to go for a bath again, isn't it? You will not waste your time again into the same activity. Even if you eat your food, if you eat your food properly, you will not be required to again search for food after a short while. Okay, so possibilities are everywhere around you. You can apply this to anything and everything from the moment you get out of your bed. Okay, now who can do this all, or who can support you in all this? Do you have any idea?
So our parents.
Parents.
Our parents? You think your parents can support you in doing this? Anybody else? Okay. See, first of all, if you want to do this, it is you, only you, who can support yourself for the first. Because it is all about you. If you want to reinvent yourself, if you want to become better, if you want to be more productive, it is first you who can help yourself. You can take guidance from the world, but finally, what matters is what you do even after that guidance is provided to you, even after that advice you receive, even after that resources that you receive. Okay, supposedly, if I put a bullock cart, a person who knows how to drive a bullock cart into a Mercedes Benz, will he be able to drive a Mercedes Benz if he doesn't know how to drive a Mercedes Benz? Of course not. So any good advice given to a wrong person, or the person who doesn't advise, who doesn't understand a good advice, he will only waste that opportunity. He will only waste that advice. So first of all, it is you who can help yourself. Me or your teacher or your parents or your friends, they are all secondary. If you do not have that energy, if you do not have that passion, if you do not have that kind of mindset, nobody can help you. So it all starts with you, and it also ends with you only. Okay, always keep this in mind. Once you focus on these things that I have told you today, I have shared with you, nothing will be impossible for you. Impossible will become I am possible. You will start interpreting impossible as I am possible. Okay, this is what my session was all about. I have surpassed 1 hour by 8 minutes. If there are any questions, I would be happy to take that. If you have any feedback, suggestion, or you want to share something, please feel free. I would be happy to hear that. Otherwise, we can conclude the session. We can take 5 minutes if somebody wants to say anything, or the session is complete from my side.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So on our group ATL Innovation Mission, you have posted related to waste out of waste. So on 28 to 30, that what we have to do on that day.
Okay, I was saying that if there is any question pertaining to this session, let us give priority to that. Focus is very important. If you have a question about a Tinkerfest or anything other than that, we can answer it separately at the end. Okay, let us first give priority to the questions that are related to this session, or the experiences that are related to this session. Okay, so let us park this question. I will try my level best to answer it in the end. Anybody else?
My question was how to cultivate an innovative mindset, sir.
how to cultivate an innovative mindset.
Like it starts from us, it
Even
ends
if in the
from us. That's true.
yeah,
But still, like how to look at one set of things, and like any what do you call, any push that can assist us to look at the thing in an innovative way.
see, first of all, whatever works upon push does not last for a long. Okay, a dead vehicle moves only when it is pushed. So if you work only when you are pushed, then you will only work when you are pushed. When you are not pushed, you will not work. Motivation, if it is external, it is of no use. You have to be motivated from inside, and you can be motivated only when you feel good about yourself. If you feel, if you believe that you are trying sincerely, okay, because our soul keeps on telling us what are we doing in our life. So if we are fooling ourselves, our soul will tell us that we are not doing justice to what we uh, what we have as resources or competencies or opportunities. Coming to your first question of cultivating mindset, innovative mindset, I would compare it with farming. Good thoughts come when you focus upon good things. Productive things come when you focus upon productive things. Okay. So try to spend your time in focusing upon such things which actually help you to learn something good. Try to be with people who have who are forward thinking. Okay. Try to be with people who have good habits, who want to be something in life, who are passionate, who are ambitious. Okay. Only then you will be able to inculcate, first of all, a positive mindset. That is what I call as forward looking mindset, that what can we do, what should we do, and then when you will look around the situations that you are in. You will try to find out solutions, or you will try to find opportunities, and that is what will lead to innovation. Okay. Human beings work on two principles: either when they are in threat, their existence is in threat, or when they have a wonderful opportunity in ahead of them. Okay. Otherwise they just sit quiet. So please try to validate where are you, in what kind of people are you, how do you look at those situations, what kind of habits the people that you are in have. Are they adding value to you, or they are degrading you? Only then your mindset will be more positive, and then that will lead to solution oriented thought process, which will lead to innovations. I hope you were able to get what I said.
Yes, sir.
If you don't water a plant with good quality of water, the plant will never be healthy. If you don't feed your mind with good thoughts, it will never generate productive thoughts. Okay. In simple terms, this is what I wanted to say. Okay. Anybody else? If not, then the feedback form link is there in the chat box. I would request you to please take your time and give the feedback, and then we conclude the session. I can see there is a dead silence at the fag end of this session. What is that silence? Are you contemplating or are you shocked? Kamal ma'am, Mayuri, Arjun, Lakshita. Why is there a dead silence right now?
I don't know.
Is your mind frustrated or your mind thinking something?
So I'm thinking
Yes.
of my next innovation, which is related to Christmas.
Good, good. Thank God. I would have got a heart attack if you would have said something else. Very good. That means your mind is thinking. It is contemplating. It is in a Google search mode. What to do next? Isn't it? Huh. At least I made a
Yes,
difference
sir.
to one. Yes, Lakshita.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Why are you so silent?
Nothing, sir.
Are you shocked, dissatisfied, frustrated?
No.
No, sir, I was just trying to understand what you were saying related to the innovative mindset. The question asked by Arjun sir.
Yes, yes.
I was
So uh,
I
you
was
were trying to think about that question or the answer that I gave?
the answer which you have given. Actually, I was talking to a student in the morning, and
Hmm.
I was asking that, like you asked Sarthak, he stopped coming over there in the sessions. So
Hmm.
I was talking him regarding this only. I had a talk
Hmm.
with his mother also, and
Hmm.
she was saying that he is interested in all this, but busy in the school work and other things. So I was just trying to help them out of that. So if you
He is a classical case of burnout.
uh,
Okay,
classical case of
burnout.
okay.
Burnout is when you are, when you invest your energies into something beyond your body's capacity. Okay, uh, like scientists, they work so hard that they feel low on energy. They feel uh, you know uh, a bit of kind of हल्का सा डिप्रेशन उनमें दिखाई देता है.
Okay, sir.
सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सार्थक ने पिछले 5-6 महीने में इतनी मेहनत की है कि सार्थक हैज probably you know went into that blankness. Big people also go into blankness after working very hard. uh,
It
I know
was
somebody also.
actually it was not Sarthak, it was any other student, but they are convinced now.
Okay.
They try to attend, but because of the very tight schedule, they are not. He's not able to.
Okay. So that is what you were thinking about.
Yes.
So that's nice. And what was Lakshita thinking about? Why she is silent? You are not giving her the laptop to speak or something like that?
Sir, laptop is in her hands only. I am sitting at one side.
I hope she has not banged her head into the laptop after the session. What
No,
is this going on?
No, actually, sir, I was just listening what you were saying.
Listening or contemplating upon what I was saying?
Just going deep into thinking that.
Good. Mishti, what is your story? Are you also contemplating, or you are also shocked and in blankness?
So I am also contemplating.
Do you know what is contemplating? Can you please help us to understand what is contemplation? I will take just one moment. This word is very fantastic and fascinating, contemplation. When my teacher used to catch me sleeping on the last bench, and she used to say, "What are you doing? You're sleeping in the class?" I used to say, No, ma'am. I was contemplating about what you were teaching. That was my part of the story of contemplation on the lighter side. So what is that you were contemplating?
So deep reflective thought.
Exactly. Trying to relate to what has been shared or what you have just gone through. Okay. Mayuri ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
you are
sir.
an engineer. You are an engineer, so let me have a good feedback from the engineer. Why are you silent? You are
Pardon,
waiting for
sir?
the session to end because it. Why are you silent? Because you want the session to end as fast as possible because it's already 1.5 hours.
No, sir, no, not like that.
Then what are you? What is making
Sir,
you being so silent?
no, sir. I was also thinking, like, when I was looking over the strength initially, about the participants, like on what level I have to work upon. I was thinking, like, what session next month I can take for the students. I was thinking, meanwhile, like, what are the fields?
Okay,
Yes.
that's really nice. Uh, any session that you take, I always say to people, don't look at the strength of the participants, okay? But do look at the kind of participants you are having, okay? Because not everybody will be able to receive what you try to give because his or her interest is at a different level, okay? So instead of focusing upon the number of participants, we must focus upon what are we delivering. And if delivery is good, sooner or later participants will also be aligning to it.
Yes, sir. So I was just thinking of like earlier I have taken the radar technology session. So I thought meanwhile I thought that why to not take a session on mobile technology, like how the calls are being attended. So I just want to give overview because on the daily basis we are on the phone calls and students are
Yes,
not
yes.
aware of that how these calls are being traveling, how we are attending those calls. So I was just thinking on that only. So
Very nice.
yeah.
Very nice. So uh, I take your words. I take every participant's words that they have shared with me that they are not in shock, and I believe that this session would have helped you to think much more seriously about you. What are you doing in your life? How are you doing in your life? Why are you doing that thing in your life? Whatever you do whole day, and is there a better way to do all those things that can lead you to your ultimate objective of life? And that would be innovation. All other materialistic innovations are of no use if we can reinvent ourselves wherever possible. We will not only do good to ourselves but to the world at large. And with this message, I conclude my session. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. On to you, Mayuri ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It was a very nice session.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. As usual, this session was also inspiring and motivating for all of us. So, thank you, sir, for keeping your good time with us. We spent a very good time and a very wonderful session it was. So, thank you, everyone, for spending your time. And I hope that this session will be very useful in our future also. So, thank you, everyone.
Thank you. And have a nice day, nice evening. Enjoy your day. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.